Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to register on the Bitget cryptocurrency exchange. This is your first step towards trading crypto. We will cover everything in detail so that even beginners can understand where to click and what to do. Give this video a like and let's get started. First, click the link in the description below this video. This is the official Bitget website, and only through this link and the promo code FB33 will you receive maximum bonuses of up to $8,000. In the form that opens, choose how you want to register, via email or phone number. Create a password. It should be secure, at least 8 characters long. Write down the password so you don't forget it. Check the box that says, I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. This is a standard requirement. Just confirm that you accept the exchange's rules. Click the Create Account button. Check your email. Bitget will send you a letter with a 6-digit confirmation code. Open your inbox, find the letter from Bitget. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder, copy the code from the email, return to the Bitget exchange, and paste it into the field. Click Confirm. Done. You are registered on Bitget. Founded in 2018, Bitget is ranked in the top 10 by trading volume on CoinMarketCap and is rightfully considered one of the best platforms. You can trade and withdraw funds without KYC, super low fees, 0% on P2P, just 0.1% on spot trading, and 0.06% on futures. There are plenty of ways to earn. Spot trading for simple purchases, futures with leverage up to 125, copy trading to replicate professional traders' deals, trading bots for 24/7 automation, and staking for passive income. Want more? Hold the BGB token. It's rising in price and gives bonuses and discounts for staking and trading. Security is top-notch. Your funds are protected by cold wallets, and transactions are verified through specialized security systems. By the way, check the description for many useful links. Security setup. 2FA. Now let's secure your account on Bitget to keep your funds safe. Here's how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. In the upper corner, click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Settings or Account Management. Then find the Security section. In the Security section, find the two-factor authentication or Google Authenticator option and click Enable. Download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. It's available on the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android. Open the app and click the plus, usually in the top right corner, to add a new account. A QR code will appear on the Bitget website. Scan it using Google Authenticator. If you can't scan it, copy the key and enter it manually into the app. Important. Write down this key on paper or save it in a secure place. It's needed to recover access if you lose your phone. In Google Authenticator, a 6-digit code will appear that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code in the field on the Bitget website and click Confirm. And while you're at it, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's important for YouTube's algorithms to recommend our future videos to you. Verification, KYC, on Bitget. Now let's go over how to complete the KYC verification on Bitget to gain full access to the features and increase your limits. The good news is that KYC is optional, but it opens up more opportunities. Click on the profile icon in the upper corner. From the menu, select Settings, then find the Verification or KYC section. Click Start Verification. Choose the verification level. Enter your personal information, first name, last name, and date of birth. Make sure the details match your document. Prepare your passport or driver's license. Take a clear photo so that the text is readable, but don't worry. Bitget is lenient and accepts even imperfect photos. Upload the photo of the document. Complete the facial verification. Follow the prompts, such as turning your head or blinking. Click Submit and wait for verification. This takes just about 20 minutes on Bitget. You will receive a notification via email or in your personal account. Without KYC, you can trade and withdraw up to 20,000 USDT per day, but with KYC, the limits increase to 3 million USDT. If your photo isn't accepted, try uploading a new one or reach out to support. However, in most cases, everything goes smoothly. Funding your account on Bitget. Now, let's fund your account on Bitget so you can start trading. There are several simple ways: through cryptocurrency, a card, P2P, or an exchange. I'll break down each method step by step so you know exactly how to proceed. Method 1, deposit cryptocurrency, USDT. Click on Wallet and then click on Deposit. In the list of currencies, find USDT and select the TRC20 network. Copy the Bitget wallet address. Open another exchange or crypto wallet where you have USDT. Paste the copied Bitget address in the sending field and specify the amount. Important. Make sure the TRC20 network is selected. Otherwise, the funds may be lost. Confirm the transfer. USDT will arrive in your main account within 5 minutes. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. In the Bitget menu, select P2P trading. Click Buy and choose your local currency. Choose a payment method. Find a merchant with a rating above 90% and at least 400 transactions. Ensure they have enough funds for your amount. Enter the amount. The system will show how much USDT you will receive. Click Buy and transfer the money to the merchant's details via your banking app. Click Payment Made in the Bitget interface. Wait for the merchant to confirm the payment. The USDT will be credited to your main account in a couple of minutes. Method 3. Purchase USDT through an online exchange. Click the link in the description to go to BestChange. This is a platform where verified online exchanges are collected. On the left, choose how you'll pay for the crypto. On the right, select what you will receive, such as USDT TRC20. Find an exchange with a good rate and reviews. Check the rating and reserves. On the exchange's website, specify the amount. Copy your Bitget wallet address. Go to Wallet, then Deposit, select USDT TRC20, and click Copy. Paste the address in the exchange form, add your contact details, email or phone, and payment details, like card number. Transfer the money to the exchange's details according to the instructions. USDT will arrive in your Bitget account within 5-30 minutes. Done. Your account is funded and now you can buy Bitcoin. Let's move on. Now let me tell you about the bonuses you will receive if you register on the Bitget exchange using our referral link. I've left it in the description below the video, and enter the promo code FB33 during registration. You can receive trading bonuses of up to $8,000 if you fund your futures account and meet the trading volume conditions. So if you funded your account with $1,500, you need to trade $1,000. This is very simple. You just need to open a trade for 500 USDT and close it. That already gives you a trading volume of $1,000. And for that, you will receive a $60 bonus on your futures account. The larger the funding amount and trading volume, the higher the bonus. Bonuses are credited within a week, usually on Fridays. You cannot withdraw the bonus, but this money is available for trading. All profits can be withdrawn. If you deposit less than $1,500, you will not receive a funding bonus, but you can participate in other promotions. 10% cashback in copy trading, launchpads, and giveaways. Withdrawing funds from Bitget. There are two simple ways to withdraw cryptocurrency. Method 1, to another exchange or wallet. Go to Assets, then Wallet, and click on Withdraw. Select USDT and the TRC20 network. It's fast and has minimal fees. Copy the wallet address where you want to withdraw the funds, for example, another exchange's wallet or a cold wallet like Trust Wallet. Specify the amount, confirm the operation, enter the code from Google Authenticator, 2FA, and the code from the email that will be sent to your inbox. Click Confirm. The withdrawal will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Method 2, through an online exchange, click the link in the description to go to BestChange. Perform the same actions as when depositing, but in reverse. Additional ways to earn on Bitget. Bitget is not just about buying and selling crypto. The exchange offers a ton of cool ways to earn money. Let's go over them all. Method 1. Copy trading. You choose an experienced trader and all their trades are automatically copied to your account. They earn a percentage of the profit while you save time and effort. Method 2. Trading bots. These are helpers that buy low and sell high automatically. Set it up once and the bot works for you. Method 3. Staking. Simply freeze your coins such as USDT or BTC and earn fixed passive income. Method 4. Launchpad and Launchpool. Here you can buy new tokens at a low price or earn them for free by staking. Method 5, Candy Bomb and PoolX. These are promotions where you complete simple tasks and earn free coins. You can find detailed information about all these features of the exchange in other videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. This has been an overview of the Bitget exchange. We covered how to quickly register, receive an exclusive bonus, set up security, fund your account, buy Bitcoin, and withdraw funds. Overall, Bitget is a modern platform with a user-friendly interface and the necessary tools for trading and investing. Don't forget to enter the promo code FB33 during registration to receive bonuses on your first deposit. If you found this material helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave your comment. Wishing everyone great profits.